Okay, so we think we found another location. Oh, look at that tractor. That. That's quite cool. You're gonna be photo the tractor. There should be a house up here too.
Go chap the door. No bother.
Excuse me, it's the Vogus man with fake idea. Do you think that's the house with fire damage or just rot?
No, it's just a shed. It's an out. Yeah, I believe it is. It was standing previously.
So here's a shed here. Old vices, blade sharpening stuff. Tons and tons of stuff, to be honest. Ropes. So much stuff. Get a wee photo. What do you think?
See, there's flat balls. There's flat balls hanging. You can see these metal things.
Yeah.
I went very well.
Yeah, we know this. We know it's abandoned, but we don't know. Alright, we're going to be able to get into this building. This is another building. But I think we're going to get into it. Yeah, pause the video here and see if we get in. Yeah, take a walk up there and it's completely shut. We have tried, but it's been abandoned for years, but there's no access, but there is a couple of nice parts down there. But it is getting dark, so we are going to head home. But guys, if you have enjoyed, please like, subscribe and comment. I know this one is a short video, but not all areas you can get into, but as I'll see you in the next one.